Hey, how's it going, guys? Today's just going to be a video of me making a little edit for Instagram. It's going to be about a 10-15 second video, so nothing too crazy, but I thought it'd be a good time to show you guys what goes on behind the scenes of me making these videos. I've only been using this program for about 2-3 weeks now, and then I'm just learning on it, so not exactly the best at it, but you know, if anybody sees me do funny things, and send me a message and I'm all ears. I'm always down to learn some more stuff. Yeah, you guys enjoy. Well, here it was, guys. I was starting to run out of ideas, you know, and making videos, and I thought I'd try something different this time. You guys can let me know if you liked it, and if you didn't, well, you can also let me know, I guess. Yeah, I'll try to do more in the future, see how it goes. We'll see you guys maybe next time. By the way, hats off to anybody that talks to the camera, because I've tried this about 50 times, and you know, every time I think I sound... But enjoy.